This is a simple and fast review of the VIVIDOORA Sandalwood Buddhist prayer bracelet. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, of course, let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get the box open here, comes with a kind of a gift box, if you will. Nice little kind of detailed description of kind of what it is. Really nice. I'm not even sure what this is, honestly. Looks like a bonus cat. Anyway, to put on a necklace or bracelet or something like that. Get these untied. And really great looking. Stretch. Simple. Again, it's a meditation bracelet, so depending on whether you want to play with it in your hands or just throw it on, it's really great looking. Can be paired on either side, kind of depending on what kind of look you're looking for. And they're just a really nice quality sandalwood here, special beads. Design wise, almost looks like a Jupiter. Great looking, but these things look great. A hint of color, as you can see, and then up close, just nice. So to me, this fits perfect. I have a relatively small wrist, so it's a good fit. But if you needed to stretch, it could be even better. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you. Great gift for a family member. Looks great. Hopefully this helped. Thanks for watching.